I've been using this 2019 Samsung phone for a few days now, and it's actually super impressive. Let me tell you about it. So right here's the Samsung S10e, the cheapest of the Samsung S10 line. The Samsung S10 brought the Samsung S10e, of course, Samsung S10, Samsung S10 Plus, and the biggest and the best Samsung S10 5G. Let me know if I should get that one. But anywho, this was the first ever Samsung phone with the full screen. It didn't have bezels like the Samsung S8 had or like the Samsung S9 had. It finally brought a punch hole screen, but it was kind of weird because it brought it to the right side, as you can see, which was a little bit weird once again because every other phone either had it in the middle or on the left side by this time back in 2019. But this phone ended up getting some hate because it ended up sticking with 60 hertz back in 2019, which was still very common, but a lot of other Android companies were bringing up 90 hertz and possibly even 120 hertz. But all this stuff doesn't really matter because we're talking about it, how good is it now 5 years later? First off, the processor on this phone, it actually gets the job done. I mean, it's not the best, if I'm gonna be honest. Obviously, it's a Snapdragon 855. But it sucks that this phone is on Android 12, the newest version